Hello, Flower Glamours, Cooking with Beverly's family. Today I am doing a video on this plant only. This is the giant taro. It's a species of the elephant ear plant family. And this is a beautiful, beautiful plant. Do you see it? And this plant can get 6 feet tall. This plant right here can get 6 feet tall. It's also known as an upright elephant ear, or you can call it the giant ape or the giant taro. The giant taro is a highly invasive weed and a common ornamental plant. However, the giant taro has a low toxicity. The calcium oxalate in the juice will irritate the skin upon contact, and the oil mucus will irritate when ingested. The giant taro is less toxic, and its juices contains calcium oxalate. When the juice hits the skin, it can irritate the skin. If you eat the giant taro, it would irritate the mouth and throat, and eaten in large quantities will cause more serious consequences. The unique leaf of the giant taro makes ornamental value. Please take precaution after planting to avoid children. Keep your children away from this plant and your pets. If severe poison symptoms occur after ingestion, consult a physician or take your pet to the vet. Giant taro is also harmful, I told you, to pets and can cause drooling, mouth pain, decreased appetite, and vomiting. So if you see that your pets have any of these symptoms, please take your pet to the vet. I have a Pomeranian, and we keep Mr. Bentley away from this plant. And let me tell you a little story about this plant. A little legend that is out about it. According to legend, there was a princess in the ancient European Aegean Sea who liked the elephant ear plant. The beautiful princess fell in love with a human teenager. When the teenager heard that there was an ice-like elephant ear growing in the cold Arctic, he sought out to find it for the princess. And he didn't find it. He suffered many hardships trying to find this plant for the princess. But the princess thought she would be happy as long as they were together. He didn't have to find the plant for her. She was happy just being with him. So that is another little love story. But this plant right here is a beautiful plant. Would you look at this giant taro's leaves, how they are standing and how it grows? And this is our first year with this plant. This is our very first year, and this plant is humongous. So we got this as the nursery. So if you're interested in elephant ears, my husband loves elephant ears. Please check out the giant taro. This is a beautiful plant. It is a showstopper. When people come through our neighborhood, they stop and look at this plant. Everyone have a blessed and prosperous day. I thank you for coming to watch this little short video. And if you're not new to our family, please subscribe. Leave a comment and tell me what you think about this giant taro. And please give a thumbs up. I thank you for everyone who has joined the family and those who are about to join the family. Come in and feel the love. I love you, but God loves you more. because we are all God's masterpiece. Look at this beautiful masterpiece. Bye-bye.
Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower